Hello Yarniversity students, thank you for tuning into my video today. Today we have a very special video like always. Although it's not a tutorial, we are going to be upcycling a blanket. I've always seen this person on either Instagram or TikTok I don't know if they're turning their blankets into upcycle pieces or if they're crocheting the pieces all by themselves and then sewing it together. And I've also seen other people turn like crochet blankets into hoodies and whatnot. If I could find a video, I'll probably put it up on the screen. But I went to an antique shop in Georgia and I found a really cute blanket. This blanket it's like a green, white, dark green, light green kind of vibe, and it's an Afghan blanket. It's, how do I say it? It has the ridges or whatever, and I was thinking of either turning them into hoochie daddy shorts or into basketball shorts. Now this probably isn't like a tutorial that, if you don't have all the equipment that I have, you won't be able to like really substitute. Like usually if I say in my other tutorials, which you guys should go check out, if I would say like, oh, I would say like, if you don't have a weaving needle, you could use your crochet hook to weave in your ends. For this video, you probably will just, if you don't have a sewing machine, you probably just be able to watch me do it, and then, you know, if you eventually go get a sewing machine, you can, you know, try it out. But if you already have the equipment that I'm going to be using today, then try it out. This blanket was $20, but it was in a section that was 60% off, so it ended up being $8, which is a steal. So yeah, let's get into this video. All right, so I got the pieces down on the floor. I'm not even gonna lie, this is such a cute blanket. The colorway is so cute. I'm using these shorts as my pattern to take them and line them up. And I'm not measuring my waistband out because I'm going to make a waistband separate with the extra fabric. So I finished this side, right? I'm about to go into the other side of the, well, the other two panels in. So that side. I just learned something, guys. If you don't have no money, stay at a broke behind home. You know, there I have two pans here. Guys, I will not lie to you, this was a trial and error kind of DIY upcycling project. I also will say this was very fun. Sorry, I had to get out there. My intrusive thought was eating me alive. Anyways, I am Yarniversity students. I have sewn my panels together. I did make some mistakes at the beginning. I accidentally sewed this together and then I had to take it apart and then sew it separately. Now I'm adding on the waistband, and then I'm going to add on an elastic band on the inside so that it fits around my waist. We about to get in tune. We about to make this matching hat. Alright, Yarniversity students, thank you for tuning into my video today. Be sure to like this video, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below any ideas that you have for me to do, anything that you think I should try out. Let me know if y'all like these kind of videos, my upcycling videos. I love anything that has to do with yarn, whether it be anything, honestly. So this was pretty fun to me. And I also made a hat to go with it. It's kind of like an oversized cat hat. Like, that's how I like to wear it. But if you want to wear it as a cat, if I wanted to wear it as a cat hat, it could go all the way down. I feel like because I this was a blanket and then I cut it up and sewed it together, it has a little more structure than if you like crocheted a hat by itself. I don't know why. That's just what it feels like. Or maybe because maybe because the blanket was made with single crochets and not double crochets, and that's what I usually make my hats with. Whatever. But thank y'all for tuning into this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love y'all.